wish they kept it though, to be in the park.
I know.
I think that was
the fairest way to do it.
Yeah.
All over Disney World right now, thousands of people are doing the same thing we're doing. They're glued to their phones in anticipation of getting a boarding group for Rise of the Resistance.
I wonder if we'll hear people cheering.
I know, right?
Never heard that people
10,
cheering.
9, 8,
You count down?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes!
Yes!
Group 44! 4 hours from now. But we got it. So we good.
We're 3 for 3 getting 40 groups for Rise of Resistance.
And here we cheer.
It's fine.
Yeah, let's get ready. Let's get breakfast.
Good morning! We are heading to get some breakfast. I don't know what the food court is called at Pop Century, but that's where we're going. It's a little dark. Hold on. As you can tell by my ears, we're off to Hollywood Studios today.
And by my mask and my shirt.
Oh, hold on. Wait, let me show you Ryan's mask.
Peep the fit. Peep the fit.
It's a little dark. We'll peep it better in the elevator. Ooh! Look at that mask.
Look at that mask.
Nice, nice. As you could tell, Hollywood Studios and Star Wars are Ryan's favorite things about Disney. I love walking out of our building and we can see the Skyliner.
Nice.
It is really nice. That's where we're headed on again today because we're going to Hollywood Studios. Yeah. It's so convenient to have a Skyliner resort.
Yeah.
It really is.
That's my next trip to Caribbean Beach. I'm telling you.
You want to stay at Caribbean Beach next time?
I just want to stay at the Skyliner Resort. It's really convenient.
Like the Riviera? I mean, it's the Skyliner Resort.
My last name Vanderbilt.
No. Still having you mobile order. So while we are waiting for our order to be ready, they have us standing outside.
We're going to the gift shop.
We could go in the gift shop. You want to go in the gift shop? Look, see Peter Pan's flight wishables.
It's Wendy and Nana.
Unpopular opinion, but I thought that Tinkerbell was kind of mean in Peter Pan. Oh, look how pretty. I don't know if there's any ears that I want. These are actually really pretty.
There's some limited edition Soul Magic Bands.
Where? Ah, limited edition Soul Magic Bands. Great movie. It's a Winnie the Pooh plush. You talk?
It's very low.
Maybe it's loud in here?
No, it's just...
Look, Winnie the Pooh! I said I wanted a Pooh. They're $22. Oh, each one you buy 2. Regular $27.
Where's Pooh?
He's up there. You can see him?
I see him.
And they have like sleeping ones. Are they pillow pets?
No.
No, they're just sleeping.
Chloe would destroy this.
I know. I miss Chloe. Look, they made Mike Wazowski into a ball.
Oh my god.
Bounce it, bounce it, bounce it.
It's not a lot of air in it.
Oh, LOLs.
You gotta blow it up.
We just finished having breakfast. How was your breakfast platter?
It's good. The breakfast potatoes, chef's kiss.
The Mickey waffles were really good today too, as always. We are catching the Skyliner, heading over to Hollywood Studios.
In just a few moments, we will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All passengers must disembark or transfer at this station. We hope you enjoyed your journey, and thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner.
Thank you.
We're not even that far from Caribbean Beach at all.
We're not.
Oh look, you can see the Disney Springs
Yeah.
balloon.
That's
See
what I'm
that
saying.
little speck in the distance?
Yeah, I
That's
see the
that
balloon.
Yep. That's cool.
But yeah, I'd probably like to maybe check out Caribbean Beach next time.
Yeah.
Close to the Riviera, so we could walk over there and hang out.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
We're in line to get on the Skyliner to head over to Hollywood Studios. This is the line for it. We're at Caribbean Beach right now. So we're gonna come where Ryan's standing. We're gonna loop around this little turn here.
It moves, so it's not. It looks long, and it is long. But I feel like it's just gonna go.
Yeah.
I feel like
Probably like 15 minutes.
I'd say 10.
Okay, we'll time it, and we'll and you know,
That's what I think.
we'll report back.
30.
12 minutes and 30 seconds. And we've reached the end of our long line, and then we have to go all the way over there. Time check. Almost 17 minutes.
Are we two?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. So I want you to open it till Kevin 286. Please see that. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Holy crap. Get a map. Get a map.
We are the map, but we must get him.
LOLs.
How much time for boarding? It's like 85 minutes. We can do a ride.
Yeah. Where would you like to go?
Tower.
All right. I have to use the bathroom before, or I'm going to use the bathroom on the ride. So, like, we definitely have to go before. So this is a line for Tower of Terror, where, like, I feel like Phantasmic is, like, back here. It is. It's over there.
Right there.
Yep. And you can see that sign there. It says 60 minutes. And, of course, Ryan is timing it.
As always.
As always. What should we do while we wait in line? I deleted Heads Up. So like I don't know what we should play.
Spy?
Oh my god. Okay. Let's see. Let's do that thing. I spy with my little eye something pink. Pink.
The flowers in the tree?
Damn it. How'd you know?
I'm good like that.
Time check.
32 minutes.
32 minutes and we have reached the entrance of the ride. LOLs.
Almost at the
Are we
ride?
almost there?
You almost at the entrance to the ride. TBT.
TBT. Have you guys ever noticed that they have this clock like right when you enter the queue for Tower of Terror, and it says your next stop, and then it has the number of minutes. So 30 minutes from this point.
See about that.
Yeah. It's posted still at 60, or did it drop to 55?
70.
70?
Yeah.
It's about 70 minutes from the time you enter the queue, or 70 minutes from the back of the line? From the back of the line. They got plexiglass up. These are new.
Yeah?
It's so dark, I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Like, my stomach is getting naughty.
I know.
Alright, we're pretty close. What time is it?
47 minutes.
47 minutes. Here we are. What was the time?
52 minutes.
52? Thank you. Ooh, it's tight. I'm nervous.
I know you are.
You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator. That door is opening once again, and this time it's all right for
I'm turning this off before we drop because you guys really do not need to hear me scream like I'm dying.
It's okay.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
There we are. I feel like my mascara is like really running because I was screaming so much and I was like squeezing my eyes shut.